Sanibonani guys, naniyazi ukuthi mina ngibona kwama-screen enu kusho khona ukuthi ngingiphathele isigaxa sendaba. Guys, so there's a video circulating and also like a WhatsApp text from, I'm guessing it's from Andile's side of the family. So remember let's start listening engisenzile about the abused lady Sneh and her man Andile. So Sneh is a 31-year-old and Andile is 21, right? So these two were in a relationship, and according to everything that's happening and videos that are circulating, voice notes and messages from one side of the family, apparently this was a very toxic relationship from the beginning. So in the video, Andile's family, Sneh was not all innocent in this relationship. They used to hit each other. Beno Andile, be Shayana. Andile, as a 22-year-old, had 3 kids by 3 different baby mamas already. And one time Andile was sitting with his baby mama when Sneh came in, and she was shouting and she started like shooting Pezulu Kubo ka Andile. Apparently she then went to Andile's house, or home rather, and burned everything. There's also like a video showing yesterday also she also burned down the guy's car, VW Lena Kutiwa OCC. She was like, whenever a boy ehamba somewhere, usisi would always want to come with a boy engasali ebizaba ngani ba boy ngeyitabane mukuthi uhambe ngaphambi kwakhe efike restaurant amthuka amshaye ambukise ngabantu asambe wena manje. So yeah, we are sending well wishes. I'm a well wishes to Sneh, since she's currently in ICU, and the family has asked us sibanike privacy, but she is healing from obviously burnt marks that happened when she was burning the guy's car. So there's a lot that is currently happening with this story. Seems like it was a toxic relationship, and yeah, like honestly I don't know what to say at this point. They are both wrong. Akekho alright wrong ukushisa indlu kamfana nemoto kamfana emshaye busy abangani bamfana ngeyitabane, naye umfana wrong ukuthi abuse uNtombazana amshaye my baseball bat and but all in all I just think it was a very toxic relationship, and yeah, they were both wrong. In this case, they were both wrong. However, gender-based violence, still, we are still standing with the fact that gender-based violence, and gender, obviously, both genders, you know, so, hey. Sanibonani.